Hey, what's up? Hobby601 back again with another cooking video. And we are about to make some fish tacos. I got tilapia right here. And this is all for lunch tomorrow. Just kind of preparing it now. I'm gonna grill my tilapia on my grill. And I'm just gonna show y'all like all the seasons that I put on it. And first of all, I just start out with some pepper, salt, paprika, onion powder, basil, oregano. I normally put parsley on it, but I don't have any parsley. I'm out of parsley. Y'all excuse me, I'm eating some grilled chicken thighs that I had left over, and I'm eating them on these little bit of small buns. Just a little snack after the gym. So once I get these to go on my grill, I'm gonna let y'all see how they come out. And I'm gonna take some tortillas, some small tortillas, which I use flour tortillas because I'm a carb person. I like to carb up on my white bread. So, and I don't eat bread that much. So I'm gonna use my tortillas. I'm gonna brown them on one side. And like I said, I'm gonna be packing this for lunch tomorrow. So I'm gonna have my lettuce, tomatoes. But for sauce, I think I'm gonna use a little ranch. Which if you want to use some light ranch, you can use light ranch. But I just use a regular ranch. So let me get this prepared. I'm gonna get the grill going. I'm gonna let y'all see the results on how I'm gonna fry them, and I'm just gonna spray my grill with some Pam. And let y'all see how pretty these gonna come out brown. All right, we got one side brown. So note when you flipping them, you might want to take some more spray and with your spatula. As you flipping them with the spatula, kind of hold it up and spray each section again as you cook the other side. And I just kind of turned the heat down, so they're about done. It don't take tilapia long to cook. I mean, really, just all you're doing is kind of brown it on both sides. And once you do that, I mean, it's pretty much done. Especially like me, I'm going to be like warming this up tomorrow. So like, it really don't have to be like fully cooked, because once I put it in the microwave, it's going to cook it the rest of the way. So that's that. So only other thing I want to show you is like how I do my tortillas. And right now I'm just actually cutting up. I got some romaine lettuce, tomatoes. I got my pickles in the refrigerator, and plus the cheese. I'm just gonna take all this right here. I'm just gonna put it in my little bowl for tomorrow. So that's gonna be done. So the only thing I have to do once I get to where I'm going, just find my microwave, take my tortillas, which they're gonna be in a napkin and a piece of foil. That's how I'm gonna carry them. So I can just take them out of the foil and leave them in the napkin and put them in the microwave for probably like 5 to 10 seconds, if that, just to get them soft. And I can just make my fish tacos like on the spot and just eat them, you know what I'm saying? That's another quick meal. Like, if you're trying to save some money, and if you're trying to eat healthy and not eat in the streets all the time while you're at work or while you're out and about, this is some things you can do to like go on the way. You know what I'm saying? So we'll be back in a few minutes. All right, here we go. I got my tilapias done, so I got a little butter down. This is what I use right here. Butter with canola oil. And I also use these right here, Missions flour tortillas. Let's see here. Of course, y'all see, I do like butter. I'm gonna set y'all down real quick. So I'm probably going to do 3 to 4 of these, probably 4 of them, just to be on the safe side. That way, if I don't, like I said, eat them along the day, I have them for later on that night. But I'm gonna let these brown. But hey, real quick, I normally do this, but I'm gonna do it now to make it easier. My cheese, I normally put it in a container. So what I'm gonna do, I am going to just take my cheese, and I'm gonna already just put it like right here. You know what I'm saying? To make it easy on me when I'm trying to prepare, man, I gotta worry about putting my cheese on them. So my cheese will be already here. It'll be melted. So when I heat these up, you know, it won't take long at all. And like I said, once you know, see they're ready already. See that? That's brown. So I'm gonna lower my heat. Then I'm just gonna take them like this, and I'm gonna put it right here. I'm gonna put it right there, but I'm also gonna let it, well, I'll tell you what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna fold it over just like that. Well, can't do it with 2 hands, 1 hand rather. Put that one there. Let y'all see me just fold it over. So when it's hot, fold. I'm gonna do right. Let's see. Alright, yeah. So once they cool, they straight, you know what I'm saying? Just leave them like, I could just kind of stack them. Just like that right there. And I'm gonna do 2 more and put the other 2 like right here. Then I can just fold this over. Alright, we're done. I added some onions, romaine lettuce, tomatoes. I didn't have no pickles. But normally I use like pineapples. I didn't have none of that either. Cause it's kind of like a last minute thing. You know, trying to prepare food. As a matter of fact, different food from on a day-to-day basics. You know. So here's my tilapia here. And here are my trimmings. And here are my flour tortillas, which like I said, if you're on a strict diet, you can use wheat tortillas. And you can cut the cheese. But I got cheese right there. So when I heat it up, it'll melt. So I'm gonna use probably some ranch dressing, or you can use barbecue sauce, some Sweet Baby Ray barbecue sauce. So no, when I'm using sweet stuff like ketchup, barbecue sauce and stuff like that, look, I don't eat any sweets, like cakes, pies, and all cookies and stuff like that. So that's where I get my sugar from, like the ketchup or the barbecue sauce. So that's that. So that's out the way. But yeah, I'm gonna enjoy these tomorrow. But like I say, this is another cooking tip that y'all can do if y'all, you know, kind of didn't think about it. And I got plenty more. So whoever interested, y'all, hey, welcome to join in and watch me prepare this. And whoever not, you know, oh well. So, Hot Base 601, peace.